ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Stand it. All I know the flow harder than a Scotch bonnet. Don't try study me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Take me to another place. Take me to another place. Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me. Well, this one is a knocker. Right now, man, active. Start with the game like a bandit. Me bring the flame like a.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk at me.